Hello everybody. How you guys doing?
Yeah.
What's going on, folks? I'm back with another video for y'all folks. We're gonna get to the 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀. Okay. Good afternoon. Welcome to 𝗧𝗪𝗏𝗧 weather. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, everybody. So I'm back with it.
Good weight on that, huh?
Today we're talking. We've got some updates on the models for you. So we're gonna start talking about the severe weather that's supposed to happen on Thursday, February 16th, 2026, everyone. So the 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀 has issued a day 4 slight risk for Bowling Green, Evansville, Louisville, Cincinnati, Indianapolis, Bowling Green, into Kentucky. So here's the.
Matt Grimmelstrom wants to do that outside. He knew I was watching TV.
I was planning on doing a video 340.
We're going to do it outside.
I can't.
Why?
Well, why did you wait till I was done watching TV?
It's the only place I can do it. Right here. So, sorry.
Why is that?
So, let's continue doing this. So, this is the discussion. You can see here. Gotta watch for supercells with tornadoes. Strong upscale cluster with strong to wind gusts, severe gusts for a period Thursday evening. Severe weather is also possible as well on that day. We go to weather-wise for you, and we're gonna go to our models. We're gonna go to our 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝘀 model. I'm gonna go to the. So, this is your update, afternoon update on a severe weather outbreak, tornado outbreak potential. This is the new model data. But this is the 18Z model. So the 18Z model is rendering in, but we're going to go back to the 12Z. And we're going to check out the 12Z model, because we're waiting on the 18Z model to roll in at the moment. So this is what it's showing. You can see that's the RFS model. You can see that warm sector right up there goes all the way up here. I'm gonna draw it for y'all. So hold with me. This is that warm sector right there. That's that warm sector. You can clearly see it right there. Right there. That's that moist dew points. Okay. Then we're gonna go to precipitation type.
Yeah.
So here's the weather models to go over. So right there, let's take a zoom in to this zone right here. So, timing of these storms. Thursday, there's that arc of supercell potential right there. That the storms, so there's supercell, so this is where these storms could develop potential for tornadoes. And with this model, there could be strong tornadoes with this. Got storms into Columbus as well, into Cincinnati, into West Virginia potentially. There's me right there. But what I'm saying, that's where that severe weather potential is going to be. And here's your surface-based CAPE. Fuel for storms, basically, guys. In this this environment is pretty elevated. You can see right in this area. If you go zoom in here, you can see we got almost 20,000 joules per kilogram of CAPE in this zone right here. Almost 20,000 joules per kilogram. So this is the 𝗬𝗏 model. And then that's what it's showing. So we're going to check out our temperatures at this point. So this is the temperature. 70s. Dew points are in the 60s, so perfect for tornadoes. Let's check out the wind gust. We got strong wind gust here. And here's the outlook for severe weather. I expect this area to get larger as well. And you can see there's those. If you live in these cities here, Farmington, Kentucky, St. Louis, Missouri, Central Mount Vernon, Missouri. If you live in Bowling Green, Kentucky, Liberty, Kentucky, into Cincinnati, and to almost near Columbus. So that's the area to watch. But now we're gonna move on to the snowstorm potential. We have a snowstorm on the latest icon model. There's that potential for a major snowstorm on the next week, early next week. You can see that snowstorm potential in the snowfall. Let's go to the snowfall. You can see about 12 or 13 inches of snow here. Let's check out the Canadian model. Not much. GFS. So we're gonna see what the European. So this is the latest European model. You can see that severe weather potential into Ohio as well. That's the 𝗬𝗏 model.
Get off the couch.
And
Get your shoe off the couch.
Mom, I'm doing a video.
I don't give a shit.
Sorry, excuse her language.
Tide Pods can handle it.
Sorry about the language in that video. Sorry about this.
Tide Pods can handle it.
I'll do one tonight too, guys. Everybody goes to bed, so stay tuned for that.
50% more cleaning power. It's got to
So
be Tide.
you can see that severe weather is likely. The 2-meter dew points. It's not impressive, but it's good enough for severe weather. So that's the update as of right now. Okay, how about an eclipse update? How about this? You could see a lunar eclipse again. So if you're in Columbus, Cincinnati, you could see a lunar eclipse on the 3rd of March. Stay tuned. Here's the severe one.
I love him, but I'm happily married now.
Yes, you're not widespread, but it could change. It could change. So.
It's polyester.
And
Our daughter Capri.
So
Brought home a pair of
this is the
sweatpants.
area to watch for
Hey,
severe
I wanna be
weather.
supportive
And
father.
here's that
I
snowstorm
wanna
potential.
see
See it?
someone ironed with a crease.
There.
This guy
And,
looked like he'd been donated. She asked if he could spend the night. I said, in my house, you'll sleep in separate drawers.
So that is your outlook
Guys, I'd love to
area.
tell you more jokes, but unfortunately, I left them in my other pants. Thank you so much. You're gonna love me. Crowd of people.
That's the zone.
Good evening.
How are you?
Good, thank you. Good, good. Right, tell us a bit about yourself.
Now we're gonna
My
go
name
check
is
out our
Mark Metal. I
18Z
come
model.
from Paris.
Bonjour. So what are you going to do for us today?
I have a
Okay,
special guest for
18Z
you.
is.
Okay.
Can I invite?
See if the 18Z's rendered
Just for
in.
you, Miss Wendy, come on.
Okay, there's the 18Z model.
Down.
So,
Sit down. Okay, you can't fall down, don't worry.
we're gonna have to wait on that model. So,
Hello, I am Mark Metal.
what about the
I am 61 and I come
composite?
from Paris. How are you feeling about today? Well, you know, when you work with a live dog, it's always... How do you think it happened? Yeah, tragic. I grew up in a little village in France, and my parents was peach farmers. It was a hard
Okay,
life. If you
so
like
our
peach, I
18
can
model
bring you a-
rendered in here.
So what kind of dog is Wendy? It's a Rottweiler.
Gonna wait a
I
few
have this dog
seconds.
since she has 2 months.
Okay, there's some
Without,
storm development right there in
without-
Tennessee.
You think about your audition? Is everything going to be
Got some
alright?
storms there.
Vivian, my wife, she
But
told
we'll
me
have
you
to
are
wait
crazy
on that model
make
to
pretend
render in.
talent. But to play
Fully
in front
so.
of royal family, for me, it's like a dream. I'm always dreaming, even at my age.
That's right.
Whenever
Cord.
you're ready.
So this is that warm sector from the last
Hey, you can say good evening. You speak English?
we're going to 𝗪𝗏𝗀 weather models. We're gonna go to
It's
the
my night. Come on,
𝗪𝗏𝗀𝗃
hey, say
model.
something.
Okay, there's the 𝗪𝗏𝗀 website.
What, why not? It's
We're gonna go to
fantastic. Come on.
12Z
Presidency Dutch.
of this model, and we're gonna go to resistivity,
No, listen, English,
and we're gonna go to
Spanish,
regional.
Français.
We're gonna go in this region. So here's the Ohio Valley storms here.
Hey, Wendy, listen to
we're
me.
gonna go
You
to
think I
here.
am stupid?
That's Wednesday.
So,
Thursday?
well,
No.
you don't want to speak anymore? No. Okay. And now? You know how to sing? No. What?
There's Thursday. So you can see it starts out like right there.
Well, we'll listen
Starts.
to you.
So it
It's
starts out.
wow, eh? You understand?
So as you can see, you see the storm potential right there. You can see the storms popping up. So we're gonna discuss, you guys.
Look at the audience like that. Feelings, come on.
You can see there's nothing there yet.
Nothing more.
You can see the storms, but this is where it blows up.
Okay? Please, come on.
Yep, right there, guys. See them supercells right there. Okay, let's get in the room. So you can see these storms. Arca supercells right there. That's what's going to be the severe weather. Right in that zone. See them? 1, 2, 3. That's it. Then it turns into one big old mess. So that's. So we're gonna have to watch that potential there. Okay. Let's see if we can click. You can see there's a supercell. What about the significant tornado parameter?
Wendy.
Oh yeah, it's pretty.
Try and listen when they're doing it.
It's elevated.
He's waited a long time for this moment. For 9 years, Simon has said he wanted a dog that could meow.
You can see the cape there. There's that
And your dog did
cape
both
as
those
well.
things.
See the zone there.
In television history here.
Okay, let's go to our.
Wow. I don't know
We're at
how
the
she does
18Z.
that, how you taught her to do it, but it was
Okay.
incredible.
Oh, thank you so much.
How does she know?
Alright, let's see what the 18Z's got in store for us now.
Very clever.
And we're gonna end the video here.
It's an incredible act, and one we're never going to forget. Mark. Well done.
You're very
Fantastic act, Mark.
Yep, there's our 18Z model. Oh, there's our first storms there. So this is the area for formation of storms. And that's what we're going to watch for. Right near Jacksonville, Springfield, see those storms right there. So, and all that.
You've got 4 big bad yeses.
Subscribe, everybody.
That was fantastic. Brilliant, well done.
Unbelievable.
How can you get a dog to do that? Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Thank you.
We found a dog who sang and talked. Well, we found a dog
What's
who
that?
could sing.
Zoom.
I love that Simon's telling everyone.
Lauren, are you sitting down? Yeah. A dog came in and sang.